The question says the value of the potential difference across the depletion region for the case of germanium is A 0.3 volt, B 0.5 volt, C 0.7 volt, D 0.9 volt. Is the value of potential difference or potential barrier for germanium is 0.3 volt at room temperature, means at 25 degree Celsius. So the correct option will be A 0.3 volt.